Hi everyone and welcome back to the second episode of DeFi for Busy People. Today we are going to talk about Abracadabra Money. This is a platform that is allowing you to leverage and to earn even more passive income on your own asset. And more specifically, the assets that are allowed to be used into the platform are interest-bearing assets. It means that you can use every kind of asset that's supported that is already producing some interest. Let's say, for example, that you have deposited on Earn Finance some USDC, and this USDC is producing already some interest. You can take the tokens that is representing the liquidity you have provided into your finance, come to Abracadabra Money and start to leverage your position, earning even more. The mechanism is quite simple. It is using MIM. MIM is a stablecoin that is minted by the Abracadabra Money. And MIM is a stablecoin that is backed by all the assets that are supported by the platform. The assets that are supported, you can find them into the borrow. And also in this feature, you can just start to use the leverage that you are interested in. The most hot asset right now that is supported is without any doubt USD. USD is a stablecoin from the Terra ecosystem, and if you have some USD, you can come on Abracadabra Money, just deposit them here. Let's say that you want to deposit 100 USD, and you can borrow against your USD some MIM, let's say the 90% of your deposit. Remember that here you can find all the different information. What is powerful is that you can use the leverage. What does it mean, the leverage? It means that you can ask to the platform to reinvest the MIM that you have just borrowed in a loop. It means that the platform in this case will take your MIM, convert them in USD, and start earning another passive income from USD. After that, they will take again your USD in order to borrow some other MIM, and they will keep going with this cycle in the number of the loops that you have decided here. It could be 1 to 10. Remember that you have to always pay attention to the liquidations, because if you exceed the threshold that is decided by the platform, and you can find all the metrics in this box in the right corner here, you will be liquidated and you will also have to pay a fee. On the borrow feature, you can find all the assets that are supported. As you can see from here, the platform is cross-chain and there are many different networks that are supported. Another feature that is really hot at the moment is the Avalanche blockchain that is supporting on Abracadabra Money the possibility to leverage your time tokens that are the tokens from the Wonderland Money platform. Another really unique feature by the Abracadabra Money is the possibility to stake your spell token. Spell is the token of the Abracadabra Money, in order to participate to the revenue and profit sharing. It means that the platform is collecting through fees, through partnership, and through many different systems, many fees. And these fees will be redistributed to people who are staking the spell tokens through this feature. But in order to take advantage, take the maximum advantage from this platform, you have to pay close attention to one number. I'm talking about the MIMs left to borrow, because you have to know that you can't just simply borrow as many MIM you want. There is a maximum supply for each cycle, and you can check, for example, in this case, if you want to borrow some MIM in order to leverage the USD that we have seen just a moment ago, you can't, because there are no more MIMs available. So keep an eye on this account Twitter, the Twitter MIM replenishes, in order to be always updated every time they make available again some specific asset. So keep a close eye to this account, because it is here that you will find all the updates. And remember, you have to be quick. So I highly encourage you to activate the notification in order to be always updated. So let's try to recap everything about Abracadabra. It is allowing you to leverage your own position. So instead of start using only your capital, you can increasing the leverage and start increasing also the yield you will receive. It is powerful because it has a profit sharing mechanism that will allow to the spell tokens that are staked to participate to the profit sharing, and this could be quite a high amount. It's completely hassle free because you don't have to reinvest your money. It's just a matter of depositing the asset, the interest bearing asset that you already have, and the system will leverage your position for yourself. Another great point in favor of Abracadabra, it has a really great and strong community. And this is really important because the stronger is the community, the more possibilities are also into the future. And having also a strong community, it will also allow to the protocol, in case of any problem, to come out also from the difficulties. In any case, pay really close attention because nothing is secure 100%. And using a protocol that is leveraging and is using for you some strategy on some other protocols, it means increasing the risk of hack and the risk of obviously lose money. So always pay attention that even if it seems really incredible, the possibility to leverage your own position and start earning some really great yield. For example, on USD, you can reach almost 112% on a stablecoin. So we are talking about almost an insane amount of yield. But remember, this is not free of risk. So always pay attention to the risk of any hack and especially the risk of being liquidated. Guys, if you have any questions, as always, just write me into the comments below and I will see you tomorrow with another episode. Bye guys.